Most South African businesses are busy falling behind, not because they're stupid, not because they're lazy, but because their competitors are using these tools in the background in order to deliver the same service faster, cheaper, and better. So that is exactly why I made this video. By the end of this, you're going to know exactly where to implement AI into your business, and you're going to know how to save tens of thousands of rands a year using AI infrastructure. The fact that you're watching this already puts you ahead of most South African business owners because they're still waiting for the AI boom. Meanwhile, we're sitting in the middle of it right now. If you guys don't know me yet, my name is Johan du Plessis, and I have a few AI companies in South Africa. I've helped founders build real systems that cut costs, generate leads, and are saving them hours a week. I also have a free Discord community with over 200 plus members, and I have a free course helping you guys set up AI and building your first business dashboard. The link is in the description. So here's what we're covering in this video: lead acquisition, speed to lead, proposal automation, content, and financial intelligence. Let's jump straight into it. Number one is lead acquisition. B2B service-based businesses can find their ideal clients automatically without paying for ads and without cold calling. Picture this: a solar company that scrapes for new developments in the property space in Johannesburg. Before the owner even thinks about energy, there's already an email in his inbox saying, "Hi there, we would like to help you." There's close to no setup cost, maintaining it is very cheap, and it gets you more leads in parallel to your paid ads. That's number one. Number two is what you actually do when those leads reach out to you. Coming in at number two is speed to lead. You've got a 5-minute window when someone makes an inquiry. If you answer within that 5 minutes, the close rate jumps significantly. Most South African business owners are juggling everything, and by the time they get back to the client, they've already found someone else, or they just got called and moved on. That is number two. Number three is when they say yes and ask for a proposal. Coming in at number three is proposal automation. For most South African service-based businesses, think agencies, constructors, architects, and consultants, writing proposal usually takes hours, sometimes even days. That delay is costing you a lot of money because by the time you get back to the prospect, they've already found someone else. You can build a system that generates a full brand, sends it to the prospect 5 minutes after inquiry. That gives you insane leverage over your competition that are still doing that manually. We're halfway through. Number four, number five are where most South African business owners are leaving serious money on the table. Number four is content without the agency bill. I run a content agency and I know exactly what it costs for a business to show up consistently on social media. Most South African business owners either spend a lot on it or they just don't do it to begin with, and the ones that stop doing it are going to become invisible. AI changes that equation completely. It can take what you know about your industry and turn it into a full week's worth of content in under an hour. Consistent, on brand, and actually useful without the 10,000 rand a month retainer. That is number four, and the last one is something most people don't see coming. Number five is financial intelligence. Most small business owners are making big financial decisions without having any visibility of what's going on in the business financially right now. You can build a working dashboard that reads your actual financial statements, tells you which clients are actually paying, tells you which costs are racking up slowly, and can help you identify where the gaps are in your business financially. This way you know exactly what is left over for you to put back into the business to grow it further. And the wildest part about all five of these is you don't have to have any coding background in order to build them from scratch. If you're sitting there thinking this is hectic and you're never going to learn it, that's exactly why I built a free Discord community with 200 plus members building actively every single day. You guys can ask me any questions there and I'll answer them gladly. That is also why I made the free course, to help you guys identify what is the opportunity, how to set it up, and how to build your first business dashboard from scratch. I hope you guys are excited as I am. If you want to stay on the forefront of AI in South Africa, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.